This is the elevator at 1201 Broughton Road in Baldwin, Pennsylvania. It's a thyssenkrupp Oildraulic with impulse fixtures, Marshall, maybe Thyssenkrupp, I'm not sure. There's a whole another floor down below the elevator and the circuits to access it from the parking lot. This only serves the second, third floor, the first and second floor, up to two, maybe that's like round, I don't know. It looks more like the main entrance though. Here we go, 2002, so thyssenkrupp. Here too. Back down to one. Beautiful. Door's kind of slow. Certificate, again, installed in 2002. It's a basic cab with a little pattern. Got an overhang lantern there. Drop down a road. Another one. That lamp's actually a Duncan parking meter. And of course, that's going to be a